In this last series of videos, we are going to look at a hop testing battery of tests. And in our clinic, we use 5 commonly utilized hop testing variations. With the hop testing, it is a single leg jumping and single leg landing test. We get to look at the ability to produce force and also absorb force on one leg. For the first test, the individual is doing a single hop. So they will stand on one foot and they will hop as far as they can and land on that same foot. You are starting the individual with their toe behind the measuring tape. They will jump and land, and if it is a successful landing, meaning that they were able to maintain their balance and show control with it without putting the other foot down, you will then record from their heel to get the distance that they covered. You would then repeat this on the other side as well, and you would look at that from a limb symmetry standpoint. With all of these tests, you commonly do 3 repetitions following a nice warm-up, and then you take an average of those 3 attempts to get their score for that individual test. The second hop test that they'll do will be a triple hop. So they will stand on their respective limb and do 3 consecutive hops before sticking the landing on the final hop. With this, they are instructed to jump as far as they can, being able to stick the landing. And just like the last one, you will measure them from their heel to get the total distance that was covered. The next hop is a triple crossover hop. So they will position themselves with the arch of the foot facing the tape measure, and they will do 3 consecutive hops, just like the triple hop, but this time they are crossing the tape measure every time they make a contact with the ground, and then they are sticking the landing on the 3rd contact, and again measuring the distance from the heel back to the starting point. Fourth test is going to be a hop for time. So you will commonly see this referenced as a 6-meter hop for time. So you will measure out the 6 meters. You will have them stand on one foot. The timer is going to measure how long it takes for them to initiate the hop and get through that 6-meter checkpoint. The 5th test that we will use as part of our hop testing movement profile or battery of tests is a lateral hop test, meaning that they are pushing off laterally. So with this, they will be facing the testing sideways. So they will have their left foot as the stance foot, if we were testing the left leg, and the arch of their foot will be facing down the turf along the testing area. The hop testing profile looks at their ability to produce and absorb force with the degree of impact involved with it. Things that you're looking for not only in regards to the total distance that they are hopping is their movement strategy. Are they squatting versus hinging? And then also, what is their overall comfort level and competence level with that task? With this drill, you need to appreciate that every test is going to look at something a little bit different. One may be a single effort test. One may be a multiple effort or multiple contact test, such as our triple and our triple crossover. One may have more of an elasticity component or a twitchy component to it with regards to how fast can we get that reactive stiffness to move down the turf, such as our timed hop. So the hop testing protocol, also keep in mind that it may be limited by their ability to not only produce force with the jump, but also absorb. And keep track that they may be able to produce more force than what they're demonstrating because of a hesitancy to land on the back end.